Hello everyone, welcome back to the videos. In this video I'll tell you why do you get no caller ID on iPhone. When you receive an unknown call, it can be frustrating and leave you wondering who's on the other end. It often happens with blocked or private numbers, leading to uncertainty about whether to answer or ignore the call. Many iOS users encounter this scenario frequently and seek ways to understand and manage it. Knowing how to respond to no caller ID iPhone can make a significant difference. So in this video, I'll tell you how to stop no caller ID on iPhones. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. You do not need to worry if you are tired of seeing these calls on your iOS device. The simplest way how to stop no caller ID on your iPhone is to block all of them. It can be done through your mobile settings. For this, open the phone app on your iPhone. Next, go to recent. If you see any unknown caller here, tap on the eye icon next to it. Next, scroll down. Option of block caller, tap on it and block the caller, and you are done. Next, on your iOS device, go to settings. Next, scroll down to the bottom and go to app section. Next, go to phone option and you can search it from here. Tap on it. Next, scroll down. Here you will see the option of silence unknown caller. Tap on it and then tap on its toggle button to enable this feature. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix you get no caller ID on iPhone. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.